Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn about a Python program that is sum all prime numbers ending with 7 from 1 to 100 in Python. So given a range of numbers that is from 1 to 100, so what you have to do is you have to get all the prime numbers present in this range, and from those prime numbers, so you have to filter out the numbers ending with 7 and try to sum all the prime numbers ending with 7 and display the result. So that is a problem statement. Yeah, so let's try to solve this. So let me take a variable total that stores the sum of all the prime numbers ending with 7 and initialize it to 0. So once we take a variable, so we have to iterate from the 1 to 100. So let me use the 2 to 100 because the prime number starts from 2. So yeah, so let's take for loop. For numerator, let's get the numerator in range of 2 to 101 because I need the value of 100. So once we get the numerator, so we have to get the denominator as well. So let's iterate the that is numbers from 2 to the numerator. So let's take denominator in range of 2 to the numerator. So this will give us the denominator. So once we get the numerator and denominator, so let's check if the number is prime or not. So let's use if statement and numerator. Let's take numerator modulus denominator and check if it is completely divisible by that is a denominator. So if so, if this is true, it is not a prime number. So what we have to do is we have to just exit the that is break the for loop, and if you find the prime number, let's take a else part, and here what you have to do is check if the last digit, that is the last digit of a number, is ending with 7. So to do that, so let's take a variable that is if statement and take a numerator and try to modulate it with the 10 to get the last digit. So if the last digit is 7, so what you have to do is add the total to the numerator, total plus equals to the numerator. And yeah, so once the for loop ends, so you will be having the that is total stored in this variable, that is sum of all the prime numbers ending with 7. So let's print it. So let me copy this and yeah, paste it over here. Let's give colon, and here let's print a variable that is total. Yeah, so this is a complete program to get the prime numbers from the range 1 to 100 and then try to get the numbers ending with 7, that is the prime numbers ending with 7, and find the sum of all the prime numbers ending with 7 and finally print it. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. You can see sum of all the prime numbers ending with 7 is 272 is a sum, and if you want to print all the prime numbers, you can just print over here. Let's print the numerator. So running the program, so you can see these are all the prime numbers between the range 1 to 100 that ends with 7. Yeah, so let me remove this. This is a complete program to sum all the prime numbers ending with 7 from 1 to 100 in the range. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.